Why do I feel like it's easier moving?
No. Front shove.
What's that?
It's just gonna hit me in the shin.
She said try to land it really casual.
Alright guys, we're super excited to be here today with
O'Grady.
Kendra.
sponsored skateboarders from the San Francisco Bay Area. Actually, she's from Texas. So today, we're continuing the series of Alec learns how to ride a skateboard.
Ride a skateboard or do tricks on a skateboard?
So he's learned how to ride, then he learned how to ollie, frontside 180, backside 180, which he got incredibly fast. I gave him 30 minutes and he did it in 8 minutes and hit me in the face with the pie. Not to spoil alert that video, but now I think just to pop shove it is too easy. What do you think?
I think it's still too easy.
Yeah, so I think we should do pop shove and front shove.
Yes.
I agree.
30 minutes.
Yes.
And if you do it, you get $100.
Great.
And if you don't, we get to hit you in the face with a pie, which we don't have, so we probably won't. But I mean, that's pretty much it. So you wanna warm up? So you learned did you learn with Skateboarding Made Simple or just the videos on the internet?
I don't even know. I just clicked on your channel and then I saw all the lists
Yeah.
and then just started watching them.
Started watching them?
Yeah.
Okay. So we've taken him through a very specific series of tricks in the very specific order. Ollie, frontside 180, backside 180, pop shove, front shove, heel flip, kick flip. So right now, it's pop shove, front shove. So go ahead, do a couple ollies.
Okay.
And don't look at my pants.
Okay.
There he goes! You got it, O'Grady!
I told you!
First try, I'll give you 10 bucks.
Okay.
Okay. Show him how it's done. Okay. I mean, we count that? You want to count that?
Sure.
Backside 180.
Okay.
She's got the best backside 180s in the house. Okay.
Not a lot of pop, but
Not a lot of pop, but he did it. So, what advice do you have for him on doing a pop shove it? Should we do shove it, then pop shove it?
I think shove it first.
Okay. So, put your foot like that and then do a shove it. I feel like that's all the instruction needs. Hey Suri, set a timer for 30 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 30 minutes.
Thank you. Okay. Dang!
why do I feel like it's easier moving?
Go ahead and do the wang danga moving. No. No, it's not. Okay, so really the practice on this one is the back foot, like that. And the thing that you're not really doing is bending your back knee. You need to pop it, scoop it, bend your knee so it's up, and then you can put your foot down. 28 minutes, 45 seconds to go.
What does the front leg do?
You want to kind of keep it close to the board,
Yeah.
and then it's just kind of just keep it there.
Okay.
All right, pop shove it done, and it's 28 minutes and 20 seconds left. I'm so confused on the math. That was less than 2 minutes to land a pop shove it. Leave it in the comments below of how long it took you to land your first pop shove it. Now, front shove.
What's the difference? What's that?
It's like pop shove it but backwards. So.
Ow! If I didn't have these big pants on, that might have really hurt. So, okay.
So that's the general idea?
For this one, generally speaking, is much harder for beginners.
Okay.
But your back foot is more like in the back pocket. And then you want to like be back a little bit so that you shove the board forward. So it kind of goes, instead of the board going like this behind you, it kind of goes like this. If that makes sense. It might not, but do it.
I just got really confused.
Exactly. Give it a try. When we did the first video, we kept trying to teach him how to kickflip, and he did the practice steps on kickflip, and then he would do a heel flip.
It's because I'm left-handed. That's actually what it is.
Actually, that makes perfect sense.
There's something in my brain where like the poles are switched. I'm telling you.
Leave it in the comments below if that is not true.
So it's...
Yeah! if you pop that and land it, that's it. Actually not bad.
I'm so bad at push-ups.
I can teach you this trick.
Yeah.
Go ahead, do a front shove. Okay, okay. There's a secret. The secret is, before you pop, instead of like standing like that, you have to like lean back, because then the board goes that way.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see what you mean.
It's basic physics. Thank you, Bill Nye. Basically there, with 25 minutes and 35 seconds left. Ankle, ankle.
Everything's just very confusing.
Ankle down.
But if I do it,
It's
just gonna hit me in the shin.
So that's where the pop comes
My life flashed before my eyes.
in. That's why in the 90s everyone wore Jinkos. You gotta pop down. It's like down and then forward. It's not even that much forward. It's just like a little slight motion. Yeah. Now land it.
So weird.
24 minutes left. I'm excited to see what happens when he hits the heel flip though. It's gonna ruin his life.
Stops.
The whole series is over. There it is!
I mean, there it was. My board was like that.
I know, and you were like, "Ah!"
I have to like think every time I do.
Don't. That's the problem. Do not think. I was like a
keep going
gazelle
on.
that was running through a field and then tripped on his own leg.
Why are all my descriptors either a giraffe, a gazelle, these big, weird animals?
Why do you think that is?
I don't know.
Maybe because it describes you perfectly.
Okay, fine.
It's amazing to me how fast, like, his hardest trick could become his best trick. Like, that's probably one of the better looking tricks that we've seen Alec O'Grady pop ever.
I've only been skating for like 4 days, so it's not surprising.
Exactly. Wow. If Alec O'Grady is learning really fast, leave it in the comments below. 18 minutes left.
Commit to it.
Commit.
Commit. I don't think you've ever told me that since I've been on this channel. Except Lance.
If your feet weren't landing on top of each other, you would have landed.
On top of each, like that?
That's basically how you landed, yeah.
Oh, okay. I think that comes from Oh my god. It comes from gymnastics. Because when I did gymnastics, I had to land like that.
Wow.
Whoa! How did that happen?
That was good.
That was good.
That was really well done.
So we have 15 minutes left. What now?
14 minutes, 50, yeah, literally was, he landed two, he just learned 2 tricks in under 15 minutes, people. Can you do that? Leave it in the comments below.
You definitely can.
You can.
You can.
You can.
It's the truth.
You can, right?
Yes, facts.
So now, hate to put you on the spot like this.
Don't do it.
Kind of like a 2 to make it true situation.
Oh, okay. I thought you were going to say something way worse.
What? Like what? This is where it starts to go downhill really fast.
Oh, yeah. Am I popping?
You're really popping. You're popping really high. Leave your feet there. Your feet are there. Just leave them. Just stop freaking out.
Okay.
Relax.
I think I do that a lot.
Yeah. If you think Alec looks like logic, leave it in the comments below.
Oh! So many things just happened. So many things just happened.
Like, didn't he
That
look
was
like a
like a
confused
slow
giraffe that just got his tonsils taken out and he was like
Someone
on
just-
a lake?
Just, I don't even know. Just
not
pushed you
gonna
and then you fell slowly.
Very slowly.
And your shoes look like they're perfectly good, and then I just saw the bottoms and they're full of holes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
That's from
that.
That's from.
What size
skating.
do you wear?
8?
I feel like I ask you that 3 times in every video. Good. We'll count that as 2. Now, do it again and pop it and leave your feet there. Not like this, not gymnastics feet. What should he do? Real simple.
Backwards, I guess, or just Try to land it really badly.
Try to land
Try
it
to land it really
Yep,
bad.
try to land it really badly.
Best advice I've heard.
Oh,
Go.
no!
She said try to land it really badly. Hold on. There's a rail there. There's a rail. There's a rail.
I was afraid he was gonna hit me.
Why would I hit you? I was going for a hug. 9 minutes, 39 seconds left.
Got it.
He's only landed it 14 times. Oh! Yeah! Dude, so sick.
And that's high too. That's like almost knee height.
Look at that,
That's a
Steez.
good pop.
Oh my gosh.
That's
That was
the
good.
most disgusting. That was really good. You did a really good job. Wow. Thank you so much for teaching him how to do that.
You're welcome.
It wasn't hard, was it?
It was a little hard, but your advice was very helpful.
Oh, I know.
I don't know why.
It helps everybody.
Yeah, it's good. It's like, take it chill, have fun with it, and then that's what I got out of it.
Yep, that's what everybody gets out of it.
Tell them what they need to do to learn how to pop shove and front shove in under 15 minutes.
Just get comfortable on your board and, I don't know, just do it. Just kind of have to do it.
Yeah.
And really understand what you're doing, because obviously there are two different rotations, and I was confused about the front shove. Yeah, once I got that down, it was easier.
There you go. Now, just shamelessly shout out your Instagrams.
I'm at
I'm not gonna lie, he's been like foaming at the mouth to shout out his Instagram.
That's
why
false.
he just went, just totally false. He doesn't care. He doesn't even care if you follow him. Don't follow him, doesn't matter to him.
Yeah, so it's at Alec O'Grady. What's yours?
Mine is Kendra.skates.
In the comments below, guys, thank you so much for coming out here. Thank you so much for learning how to skateboard. And thank you so much for learning how to skateboard. I'm really excited about your future and all of the people that you're going to get into the world of skateboarding. It's going to be a lot.
Yeah.
Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn how to skateboard. And thank you.
So no pie to the face?
Well, no, you did it. You get $100.
But I don't get to pie you?
No, you get $100.